Hi friends, welcome to Kiru Kids. Okay, so it was a nice day for me and I guess for you also. So I'm really happy that I'm again meeting you all. So most of your schools have reopened. I know that it is open because all of your schools have opened. So then you are meeting your new teachers, your friends and all. So you all are excited now. Those whose schools are reopened in first itself, their lessons must have started and all. Okay, so we learn lessons and all in our school. Like we write, we read, in the break time we eat, in PE period or some physical education and all. We do many things. We play sports and all. So why do we all do all these things? Like who helps us to do all these things? Okay, so nobody helps me. I only do it by myself. Okay, we do it by myself, but inside our body there are many organs which work for each another. Something like brain helps you in remembering things and all. So like that, each body part have its own function. So I shall be sharing some information on skeletal muscles and nervous system. Okay, so first of all, what is a skeletal system? Okay, a skeletal system is a framework of bones or also called as skeleton. It is generally made up of 206 bones. So in skeletal system only you can get many parts like skull, then spinal cord, like that never comes under. I mean backbone, then limbs, etc. Like then you can rib cage, and then you can see like you can see many bones. So like that. So I have told you that 206 is in an adult's body. So there are 206 bones in an adult's body, but in babies you can see many bones. Like doctors and all say that baby have 300 bones or more than that. Just because then we have 206 bones, then why they have 300 bones? So it is not okay like that and all. So why that? So you all must be thinking, the answer is that when you're babies your bones are not attached. Actually it is it is so small bones and it is spread over your body. But when you grow as a kid or something like that, your bones all attach together and it becomes 206. So that is about the bones. Now before going to more information, now let's go for a caller. Hello.
Hello.
Your good name?
Archana.
Archana. Hi Archana.
Hi.
Okay, how are you?
I'm fine.
Which grade you are in?
I'm going to be in 7th tomorrow.
Okay, so your school have not reopened yet?
Yeah.
I thought everyone's school have reopened. Okay, so what's the date tomorrow? Yeah, it is 9th, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so lucky you're getting a lot of holidays. Okay, so you're going to 7th. So what is your new academic year resolutions? Like what you want to do? Like maybe you're not studying good, so now you want to study good, something like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Before I was getting 3rd rank, but now I should get 1st.
Oh, okay. So you have to hard work, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So wish you all the best.
Thank you.
Okay, then you bought your new stationaries and all?
Yeah.
Okay, you're using pen, right?
Yes.
Which color pen do you have?
Blue.
Blue, okay. So your bag, everything is new, so you are ready to show your friends?
Yeah.
Yeah, kind of, okay. So Archana,
Yeah.
let's go to a game.
Yes.
Okay, which game?
Bus.
Bus, okay. You start.
1,
2,
3,
4,
Bus.
6,
7,
8,
9,
bus.
11,
12,
13,
14,
bus.
16,
17,
18,
19,
bus.
21,
22,
23,
24,
bus.
26,
27,
28,
29,
bus.
31,
32,
33,
34,
bus.
36,
37,
38,
39,
bus.
41,
42,
43,
44.
bus.
Okay, that was a nice game.
Thank you.
Did you like the game?
Yeah.
Okay, hope you'll call again.
Okay.
Okay, have a nice day. Bye.
Bye.
There was Archana who called us. She played bus with us. Okay, so let's move back to our topic. So, like each organ have its own function. So even skeletal system have its function. So you imagine if there is no skeletal system for us, then what will we do? We'll be floppy like a jelly, isn't it? So skeletal system gives shape and support to our body. Without skeletal system, we will be floppy like a jelly, as I told you. So imagine that you can sit, you can stand, you can do anything. So you need skeletal system. So that's a main function. Then it protects the soft internal organs like brain, heart, lungs, then many other organs. Then movement is done by skeletal system. The movement, it helps us in movement. Like if we want to move, then skeletal system is important. See, as I told you, the bodies, if there's no skeletal system at all, then what will we do? So we can't move and all. So it helps us in movement also. So that is the thing. So there I told you a skull, rib cage, then backbone and limbs. So what is a skull? Skull protects the brain. It have 22 bones. So I'll tell you how. Actually, skull means a whole face which you see actually. Then at the top they protect the brain. Actually, eight flat bones joined together and it covers the brain like a helmet. Then there are 22 bones, like in your face there is 22 bones, in your nose there's bones, in ears bones. So totally 22 to 24 bones average person can be there. 24 bones average person, like most people have 22 bones, but some people have 2 more bones. Okay. So now rib cage protects the heart and the lungs. Okay, rib cage is 12 pairs of ribs. So one side is 12 and another side is 12, and totally when it joins it is 24 ribs. So like that it is it forms a rib cage. It's a small not small bones, they are bones which form a cage. Okay, actually a bone which holds them in the front, that is the sternum. Okay, it's a flat bone and all the rib cages are attached to the sternum and the backbone except the floating ribs. So you may be thinking, okay, floating ribs, so are they going to float or something like that? Okay, no, they're not going to float and all. They're just attached to the backbone, but instead they're not attached to the sternum. So that is the main thing of the rib cage. So that is floating ribs, so it doesn't mean that it floats around your body. Okay. So then we have we have the limbs. Okay, before going to the limbs, let's go for a caller. Hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
Hannah.
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 Yeah. Hi, Anna.
Hi.
Welcome to Kiddu Kids. Hello.
Hello.
Don't listen to the TV, okay? Can you reduce the volume of your TV?
Okay.
Hello.
Hello.
Okay. Don't listen to the TV, just listen to me, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, what's your name? Hannah, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So which school?
Shining Star.
Shining Star. Where is the school?
In Abu Dhabi.
Abu Dhabi. Okay. Where do you live in Abu Dhabi?
In city.
E-City. Okay, I don't have any idea of it. So you had vacation in March and all, right?
Only little days.
Yeah, but still, did you went outside and all?
Hello?
Hello? Yeah, did you went
Hello?
outside? Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah, did you go for outing and all?
Yeah.
Yeah, where did you went?
In Dubai, Ajman, Adelaide.
Ah, you visited Emirates, many Emirates, right?
Yeah.
So how was Dubai?
It's very nice.
It's very nice. The first time you visited in Dubai or before you have visited?
In March.
Okay, so first time you visited in March, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So what about Alain and Ajman?
I visit my guests and all in Emirates.
Okay, fine. So now your school reopened, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. You're in which grade?
Huh?
You're in which grade?
7th.
7th. Okay. Yeah. At present, you are in 7th.
Okay.
Okay. So, do you sing?
Huh?
Do you sing?
Yeah.
Okay, then sing a song for me.
Uh,
Okay, next time when you call, you sing.
okay.
Okay. So that time don't say any reasons or wonder for songs.
And
Okay, it's fine. Now let's go for a game.
okay.
Okay, which game?
I don't know.
I don't know. So you want me to say the lists?
You tell.
Okay, I have GK, quiz, dictionary, tongue twister, riddles, then spelling, sentence, atlas, connection, memory game.
Memory.
Memory game. Okay, you know the rules?
Yeah.
Okay, then you start.
Fruits.
Yeah, fruits.
Apple.
Apple, orange.
Apple, orange, mango.
Apple, orange, mango, banana.
Apple, orange, mango, banana, strawberry.
Apple, orange, mango, banana, strawberry, cherry.
Apple, mango. Sorry.
No. You're wrong.
Sorry.
Okay. You have to say apple, then apple, orange, mango, right?
Yeah.
Apple, orange, mango, banana, strawberry, cherry, and
Cherry. Pineapple.
pineapple. Okay. Apple, orange, mango, banana, strawberry, cherry, pineapple, plum.
Apple, orange, mango,
Banana,
strawberry, cherry,
cherry, cherry, fast.
pineapple,
Pineapple, okay. And I said one fruit, right? Plum,
oh,
and say one more fruit.
blackberry.
Blackberry. It's a mobile phone's name, but it's a fruit still.
Oh,
Okay, it's a fruit only. Doesn't matter.
Okay.
I just rolled for fun. That's a phone. Okay, Hannah.
Hello.
Hannah, have a nice day.
Okay.
Okay then, bye.
Bye.
Okay, that was Hannah who called us. So now let's move back to our topic, limbs. There are two types of limbs, the forelimbs and the hind limbs. The forelimbs are the arms, from the hand and all, and the hind limbs are the legs. Okay. Then now let's move on to the backbone. Backbone protects the spinal cord. Backbone are made up of small bones named vertebrae. 33 vertebrae make up the backbone. So there are 33 vertebrae, there are small bones which make up the backbone, and it protects the spinal cord. Okay, so with these only the skeletal system will be over, or how then the movement will be possible? Yes, because of joints. Okay, joints help us in movement. So now let's go for a caller. Hello,
Hello.
what's your name?
Minha.
Minha. Hi Minha.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Yeah, which grade you are in now?
I'm in third.
Third. Okay. How's your new class and all?
It is nice.
It is nice. So, any new admissions in your class?
No.
No, only your old friends itself?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Who's your new class teacher?
Satna teacher.
Sapna ma'am. Okay, a Sapna teacher. Okay. Then what is your new academic year resolutions? Like you have to be quiet or something like that?
Just to be quiet.
Yeah, you have to be quiet or anything other than that. Something you want you to do something good in this academic year.
Nothing.
Nothing special. Okay. So, Minha,
Yes.
let's go for a game.
Yes.
Which game?
Atlas.
Atlas. Okay. I'll start this time.
Okay.
Okay. I'll start with S. Okay.
Okay.
Sweden.
And with
N.
Nepal.
Nepal. L. London.
And Netherlands.
Netherlands. S. Singapore.
England.
E. England. D. Denmark.
Kochi.
K. Kochi. I. India.
Abu Dhabi.
A. Abu Dhabi. I. Right?
Yes.
Ireland.
And with
D.
Dubai.
Dubai. Iceland.
Delhi.
Delhi. Okay, that was a nice game.
Thank you.
Okay, it was a wonderful game. I really loved it because I was also saying so fast, and you're so smaller than me, but still, you said it so fast. Okay, Minha.
Okay.
Okay, and Minha. So tomorrow and today will be a nice day. So Minha, bye.
Bye.
Okay, it was Minha who called us. So, she just took a second to say the country, but I was so happy with that. Okay, so even you can call on 052-9611-333 and 050-1496-064. Okay, now let's go for a caller. Hello,
Hello.
what's your name?
Rivka.
I didn't get your name.
Rivka.
Actually, I didn't get your name. Can you repeat it?
Rivka.
Eshta.
No, Rivka. Rivka.
Rivka.
Yeah.
Oh, hi Rivka.
Hi.
How are you?
Fine.
Okay, so what about your what did you do in the bus today?
Well, not much.
Okay, so are you studying in R1 English High School
Yes.
in grade 5? I mean grade 6?
Yes.
Okay, then I'm correct. Okay, so did you like the show?
Yes.
Is it better?
Yes.
Okay, so then how was your class today?
Nice.
Nice. Okay, well, I didn't got time to ask you. Okay, so which is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject, Arabic.
Arabic. Okay, well, then sing a song.
In this song,
Yeah, you have to.
I'm shy.
What shy, yeah? Sing.
No.
Okay, okay. Tomorrow when you call, you sing. It's fine.
Okay.
Okay. So now let's move on to game.
Okay.
Which game?
Atlas.
Atlas. Over.
Then which one game?
Okay, GK, quiz, riddles, tongue twister, dictionary, spelling, sentence, and connection.
Spelling.
Sentence.
Yeah.
Okay, sentence. Okay, you say me a sentence with vehicles.
Okay. There are so many vehicles on the road.
You say me 3 sentences.
Then that vehicle is in red in color.
Okay. Say some.
People always travel with vehicles.
Okay. Okay. Now, just say one sentence with curiosity.
Curiosity. I am curious about my exam.
Okay. Fine. That's okay. It's curious and curiosity. Just TY difference. Okay. It's fine. Then Rivka, bye.
Bye.
Okay, she's my friend actually. Like in bus and all, we are in same bus and all. So we used to play and all. So she's one of my friend. Okay, so now let's move back to our topic. Okay, so we have 4 types of joints, that is ball and socket, hinge, pivot, and gliding. So we have 4 types of joints, and each move in different way and all. So now let's now I guess this ball and socket moves in many directions, and pivot joint, it helps you to move in sideways, then take your head up and all. Then gliding joint allows you to move your move that part in a side, in a sliding way or in a gliding motion. So that is one. And the hinges joint, it works like a doors hinges. You open the door and close the door, and also the door hinges. Okay, so I guess today you like the today's topic, skeletal system. So now let's move on to a second segment, that is a rhyme segment.